And the beginner course, if you remember, I mentioned quickly about Clipboard Panel, but let's get more familiar. If I select some text and copy that, right-click copy or Control or Command C, then select another text and copy, and again, you could only by default paste the last value. But as you know, Microsoft Word preserves multiple clipboard values. To show that, simply make sure you're in the Home tab and click on the clipboard write down icon. And there it is. Now we have different paste values on the clipboard with a stack. I could simply, by clicking, paste them. I could click on this arrow to paste or delete, or you could even right-click on that. You could even paste all, or you could clear them all. It is very simple to use. Let me remove these values. Again, select Ctrl C and Ctrl C and Ctrl C. It is not about just the text. You could copy the images, icons, links, tables, or any different entities. And in the very below of the panel, we have Options button. They are very simple and obvious. If you read, you could understand. But one of the useful features here is Show Office Clipboard when Ctrl C or Command C pressed twice. If I enable that and close this panel, there it is. Your clipboard panel will automatically open, and note that it is twice, not close together by the time, not with very long different time. So to bring that, you could select and simply press Ctrl or Command C and C again.